Hello, dear students. Today in our writing lesson, we are going to talk about definition paragraph. What do I mean by definition paragraph? It means that I'm going to write a paragraph, and inside this paragraph, I'm going to define. What do I mean by define? To give facts and details about specific topic. So the word definition means to give the meaning of a word. But here, because I'm writing a paragraph, I'm not only going to write the meaning, I'm going to write facts, details, and information about specific topic. That's why we call it definition paragraph. And the main parts when I write a definition paragraph, first of all, I have to write an introduction, the beginning sentence. I start my paragraph with a sentence that shows what I am writing about, what I am going to define in my paragraph. Then in the body, in the middle, I'm going to write facts, examples, and details to define my topic or my animal, my idea, a place, for example, anything I'm going to write about. Then I will close my paragraph with my opinion about this topic. So these are the main parts of the definition paragraph. Introduction in the beginning, that shows what I am writing about. In the body, in the middle, I'm writing facts, examples, and details about my topic, which could be an animal, a place, an idea, or anything else. And I will close my paragraph with my opinion about this topic. Now, I start my paragraph writing about an animal called harpy eagle. Don't forget to indent. Start with indentation in the first line when you write your paragraph, then you continue without indentation. So here I chose to write about this kind of animal or this kind of bird, let's say. The harpy eagle is a kind of eagles, and it's called also the American eagle. So here in my introduction, in the beginning sentence, I show my readers that I'm writing or I'm talking about this kind of animal, or this kind of bird, harpy eagle. So here in the introduction, you have to show your readers what you are writing about. Then I will start here with the middle of my paragraph, with the body of my paragraph, which gives or which has the facts, details, and information about my topic, which is harpy eagle. It is the largest and most powerful eagle in the rainforest. It usually inhabits tropical lowland rainforests in the upper layer. So I showed here that it's the largest and the most powerful eagle in the rainforests. Here I showed that it lives in the rainforest, in the upper layer of the rainforest. Here I added extra information. Destruction of its habitat has caused it to vanish from many parts of its range. Here I added information that destruction of its habitat, the upper layer of the rainforest, will cause it to vanish and disappear. So here I'm writing facts and details in the body of the paragraph. Here I wanted to start a new paragraph, so I indent again in the first line. The upper side of the harpy eagle is covered with slate black feathers, and the underside is mostly white. A broad black band across the upper breast separates the gray head from the white belly. So here I started describing and giving facts about how it looks like and its color. The head is pale gray, okay, and is crowned with a double crest. So here I still give facts and details about its appearance. The upper side of the tail is black with 3 gray bands, while the underside of it is black with 3 white bands. So here I gave facts and details about its look or appearance. Here I started a new paragraph, so I indent the first line. Female harpy eagles weigh 6 to 9 kilograms, while the males weigh 4 to 5.95 kilograms. This kind of eagles preys monkeys, squirrels, birds, snakes, goats, chickens, pigs, and many other kinds of prey. So here I wrote about its way and what this kind of eagles preys and coats and catch in the forest. These examples of the things that this kind of eagles eat. Okay. So again, in the body here, I wrote all the facts and details about this animal. Now I want to close my paragraph by writing my opinion about it. So here also I indent when I started my closing. Wildlife in the forest has many species, and this eagle is one of them. Even it's dangerous, but it's interesting. So here I closed my paragraph writing my opinion about this kind of animal. So again, definition paragraph, you are writing facts, details, and information about specific topic. You start with introduction that shows what you are writing about. In the body, you are writing facts and details about this topic. Then in the conclusion, you close it by writing your opinion and special thing about your topic. Okay. Now here in our book, let's read the example that we have. So again, here definition paragraph. It's a paragraph that explains one object or idea in details. Here we have the main parts, which is the introduction. Then we have facts, examples, and details in the body. And in the end, we have closing, which is summarizing or giving your opinion about it. Now, the monarch butterfly is one of the most recognizable butterflies. So here you started this paragraph with this idea, the introduction that shows what you are writing about or what you are talking about, which is the monarch butterfly. They are large insects that are easily spotted by their orange, black, and white markings. Monarchs live in both North and South America and parts of Europe, India, and the Pacific. So here you started the body by giving facts, details, and information about it, how it looks, where it lives, and so on. The most remarkable thing about the monarch butterfly is how those that live in North America migrate, which means to move from one place to another. Every fall, millions of monarch butterflies living in cold places in the United States and Canada start flying south. So here you're still giving facts, where it lives, what happened in winter or before winter in fall. They migrate from one place to another and so on. Some fly as much as 2,000 miles. All of the monarchs end up in the same place in Mexico each year. The monarch butterfly only lives for 2 months. So this is fact. It lives only for 2 months. So no monarch butterfly makes the migration more than once. At the end of the winter, the monarch butterflies mate, which means the female and male meet each other. The females travel north again, leaving their eggs along the way, but the males die after mating. The monarch butterfly is not the only migrating insect, but it is the most interesting. So here I started with the introduction. It shows what I am writing about, which is the monarch butterfly. Here in the body, I wrote facts, examples, details, information about this insect. And here in the conclusion, the writer closed the paragraph, writing his or her opinion about this insect. Here the monarch butterfly is not the only migrating insect, but it is the most interesting. So these 3 last lines, it's the conclusion, the writer's opinion about this insect. So this is an example of also definition paragraph. Again, definition paragraph when you are giving facts, details, information about specific thing. It could be an animal, it could be a place, an idea, or whatever. Okay, I hope you understood it, and thank you so much.